토마토 축제가 한창인 스페인 분유.
And with approximately 140 tons of overripened tomatoes, La Tomatina remains the world's greatest annual food fight. Throwing it back to you at the studio, we'll catch up later.
그 열기 속 현장을 중계하는 한 무리의 취재팀.
You know, boss, you don't need to give a fake broadcast. You know we're on a mission, right?
Okay, easy.
그런데 이들은 단순한 기자들이 아닌 기자 신분으로 위장한 MI6와 CIA 요원들.
That's why I don't go big game hunting without you, CIA boys.
Speaking of, we've got a line in the crosshairs.
두 기관의 공통된 목표는 하나. 러시아 무기 상인 그라도프.
Okay, I got him. But I can't confirm it's Gradov.
That's a negative. No go for facial recognition.
Wait, I think I'm staring right at him. 20 feet from me, right below you, Coop.
What?
그런데 그라도프와 똑같이 생긴 남자들이 하나 둘 모습을 드러내기 시작합니다.
Three.
Shit. He's got decoys in play. Get me gate analysis.
We'd have to request a patch to Echelon.
Request the patch.
진짜를 가려내기 위해 요원들은 파이브 아이즈가 운영하는 글로벌 감청 시스템 에셜론 접속을 요청하고
How high?
NSA priority. Russian arms dealer Viktor Gradov. First sighting in over 2 years.
MI6 요원 로엘은 현장에서 수상한 낌새를 포착하는데
Coop, I don't like this man.
Field, you're authorized for a 60-second link to Echelon service.
All the time I need to pin the real Gradov.
It's a VWT5 Spanish plate, registered to a rental company in Madrid.
하지만 요원들보다 한 발 앞서 움직인 그라도프의 부하들.
Field team, abort! We've been set up!
요원들 중 가장 실력이 뛰어난 노엘이 반격에 나섭니다. 하지만 적의 진짜 목표는 에셜론의 접속 권한.
Don't move!
노엘이 필사적으로 저지에 나서보지만 결국 적에게 제압되며 접속 권한마저 빼앗겨버립니다. 한편 영국과 미국의 정상회담을 앞둔 총리 샘 클라크.
U.S. President Will Derringer, amid soaring popularity at home and abroad, touched down in London yesterday.
그가 맞이해야 할 상대는 배우 출신의 신임 미국 대통령 윌 데린저.
Office Records playing the Venom in denim with his Water Cobra franchise.
샘은 배우 시절 인기로 대통령에 당선된 윌을 탐탁치 않게 여기고 있었죠.
With your help, we did it at the box office, and now we will do it at the Oval Office.
노엘과 함께 작전에 나섰던 MI6 요원들이 모두 전사했다는 소식이 전해지고
I regret to say that team leader Noel Bisset is missing and presumed dead. I'm so sorry.
샘은 최악의 컨디션으로 미국 대통령을 맞이할 준비에 나섭니다.
Enjoy this and use it as a bonding opportunity with the Prime Minister.
그런데 샘에게 앙금을 품고 있었던 윌.
He endorsed my opponent in the heat of the campaign.
He had lunch with the guy. It's hardly an endorsement.
Wasn't just lunch. It was fish and chips.
대선 당시 샘이 자신의 상대 후보와 식사를 했던 일을 무시로 받아들였던 것.
Is a man who got 83 million votes from the American people not feeling properly respected. See you tomorrow.
Sideways up, Spain.
Who was the target?
회담을 앞둔 두 정상은 민감한 사안들을 점검하는데
Spain was our first chance to move on Gradov in 2 years.
Where is he now?
In the wind.
스페인에서의 작전 실패를 고민하고 있는 샘과 달리
How many times have I got to say we do not leapfrog intel?
We should warn Clark's team about Jack Gordon. Jack always goes for the jugular.
기자회견에 비칠 자신의 이미지에만 몰두하는 윌.
He still hasn't figured out the difference between a press conference and a press junket. Oh. Mr. Prime Minister. Mr. President. Yeah. We finally meet.
마치 약속이라도 한 듯 두 사람 사이엔 정적이 흐르고
We should savor this moment. I mean, this is our debut duet. Dr. Dre and your Eminem, and we're taking that stage for the first time together. I'm Eminem. Hey, just do us both a favor out there. No questions from Jack Gordon. My guy.
샘은 윌의 무례한 태도에 분노를 눌러 담은 채 기자회견에 나서는데
Energy security is national security. It is also an investment in job creation.
두 정상의 신경전은 기자들 앞에서도 이어졌고
Okay. Questions?
President Derringer! It's just been announced that Water Cobra is being expanded into a cinematic universe. Any chance you'll be making a cameo?
Who has a real question? Hey, hold on a minute. Now, who else is tired of seeing the Prime Minister as a single man? I'll tell you what. How about we get him his own season of The Bachelor? Who's with me? Jack Gordon.
There are 6 dead British and Americans in Spain this morning. Can you comment on speculation? This is the result of a failed covert operation to capture known arms dealer Victor Gradov?
Covert operations are covert for a reason. That's all I'm going to say on that. And Gradov's going to wish we caught him yesterday. Because when we do get our hands on him, he's going to be forming a special relationship with the concept.
Leaks indicate that Echelon was accessed during the op. Are you ready to acknowledge the existence of a top-secret surveillance program which monitors all of our emails, video conferences, phone calls?
Tom, our enemies should be afraid. We have the tools, and we have the technology to find and destroy them if they challenge us.
President Derringer, do you have a message for the families of the men and women killed in Spain?
I've spent a lot of time with the special forces.
That was for an acting role, yes?
As someone who did serve in the British Army, as most of you know, if I did have something to say to the families, I would say it to them directly. I do not salute heroes through you, Jack.
결국 화합은커녕 양국 정상이 충돌하고 있다는 소식이 언론을 타고 전 세계로 퍼져나갑니다.
You knew Jack Gordon was trouble. I warned you. My town. I'll call on whomever I want.
기자회견이 끝난 뒤에도 그칠 줄 모르는 두 사람의 신경전.
Unlike you, I'll take results over likes on Instagram. You clearly don't care about what people think. You called for a collective moment of introspection. Is this about the fish and chips thing?
보다 못한 보좌관들이 두 사람을 화해시키기 위한 방안을 제안하는데
You fly to Trieste together on Air Force One.
I don't know if we have enough room.
You both do 35 seconds on the air stairs here in London, waving and smiling. Pit stop in Warsaw, you'll be in Trieste by breakfast. By that time, pictures of you on those air stairs, a vision of solidarity, will be on the front page of 8 out of 10 newspapers all around the world.
이를 받아들일 두 사람이 아니었지만
It's guaranteed 3-point bump in the polls.
Look, we are in the early days.
Right now, we need him more than he needs us.
Quincy and I will phone the runway with press in Trieste.
각자 필요한 것이 있었기에 억지로라도 손을 잡을 수밖에 없었죠.
Would you do me the honor and fly with me aboard Air Force One?
Kept me up all night.
I assumed it was faulty equipment, but now I know it was human error.
비행기가 이륙하자 샘은 스페인에서의 작전을 되짚어보는데 작전 중 실종된 노예를 떠올리며 착잡한 표정을 감추지 못하는 샘.
There he is. Come on.
샘의 심정을 아는지 모르는지 윌은 가족들과 영상 통화를 부탁하죠.
I'm so sorry we missed each other. Love you guys. Talk to you tomorrow. You're good at that. Good at what? Being normal-ish. Thank you. All right, I get it. You don't like my movies. I've never seen your movies. Because Sam Clark is the man who does not like to be entertained.
No, it's because I like actual cinema.
Did you know I once did a play with Edward Norton?
그때 요리사로 위장한 그라도프의 수하가 상황실로 향하고
Don't tell the captain I snuck you a stash.
Thanks.
기내 감지 시스템을 무력화시킨 그때 그라도프의 군용기가 접근합니다.
Move to intercept.
그 시각 샘과 윌은 서로에 대한 감정만 쏟아내기에 바빴고
You took my opponent for fish and chips in broad daylight in the middle of Leicester Square and you knew photographers would be there.
First of all, it's pronounced Leicester Square, and no bollocks, he's an old friend. I took him for lunch.
You knew there were political implications. Not all of us have some posh Cambridge mafia in Parliament helping us get elected.
I busted my ass to get to where I am. I was born on a housing estate and was never given anything on a silver platter.
두 사람의 언성이 높아지는 그때
What's that?
You heard what I said?
No, what's that?
Ready the weapons. Yes, sir.
소형 드론들이 에어포스 1을 향해 무차별 공격을 시작합니다. 설상가상 대통령 근처엔 암살자까지 다가온 상황.
Multiple inbound bogies. Open fire.
Mr. President, sir! Shit! We gotta get to the back of the plane! Go! 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 Stop shooting the drones! Shoot the goddamn plane!
Initiating emergency descent to 10,000 for cabin pressure stabilization.
Let's go! There are parachutes in the back! Here comes another wave. Lost engine 2.
적의 공격에 엔진 하나가 날아가고
Come on, we gotta jump!
기체는 고도를 잃고 추락하기 시작하는데
Come on, sir, move! We're leveling out.
남은 방법은 낙하산을 이용한 탈출뿐.
Let's go! Let's move! Where? These two should be intact! Get to Golden Mountain Mining Company under the Gdański Bridge in Warsaw. It's been an honor, Mr. President.
경호원의 희생으로 두 정상은 무사히 기체를 탈출하게 됩니다.
Oh shit! How the hell did they get on my plane?
With the help of someone on the inside, that's for sure. The Polish border's about 15 miles that way. On foot, we can be at that safe house by morning. Whoa, 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 what are you doing?
Call my wife. I'm letting her know I'm alive.
No phones, all right? History, so you have to assume whoever wants you dead is listening to communications, okay?
Call my family to let them know I'm okay.
Worst case scenario is they make an example of us. Now put that down!
같은 시각 에어포스 1의 추락 소식이 전 세계에 대대적으로 보도되고
Tell the Pentagon to move DEFCON status up and inform Russia, China, and Iran this is not a moment to get adventurous.
부통령 커크는 사태의 배후를 파악하기 위해 에셜론에 접속하는데
Alpha, Echo, Bravo, Alpha, Charlie, Zulu, Tango.
Voice print confirmed.
Sir. What's happening?
They're rebooting the system.
접속이 감지되자 그라도프가 심어둔 해킹 프로그램이 권한을 탈취해버립니다.
We are now in control of Echelon.
Now we're talking. Here's our ride to Warsaw.
한편 안전 가옥까지 이동하기 위해 시민의 차를 빌려 타려는 샘과 윌.
Come on. There he is.
그런데 그때 건달들이 두 사람에게 시비를 걸어옵니다. 건달들이 연장까지 꺼내든 그 순간
А ну по домам, кретины недоделанные!
할머니가 나타나 건달들을 쫓아내고
Yankees,
No. Canadians.
where you go?
Across the border to Warsaw.
I take you.
바르샤바까지 차를 얻어 타게 된 두 사람.
That'll be great for our memoirs.
국경에 다다르자 검문을 받게 되지만
Может, договоримся?
Что?
할머니의 뛰어난 수완으로 무사히 통과.
Think I'm ready to write those memoirs now.
그렇게 두 정상은 안전 가옥이 있는 바르샤바에 도착합니다.
Thank you.
It was my pleasure, Mr. President.
작별 인사를 나눈 뒤 서둘러 안전 가옥으로 향하는 두 사람. 하지만 이미 에셜론을 손에 넣은 그라도프는 두 사람의 동선을 모두 파악하고 있었죠.
And we kept our footprint tight, so who cares if they live?
They die because I say they die.
You're alive.
안전 가옥의 담당자는 윌의 열혈 지지자인 마티.
But what's the playbook on this?
For this? There is no damn playbook. I mean,
그는 곧장 뉴스를 틀어 충격적인 소식을 알려주는데
2 hours ago, a trench of classified documents were leaked, exposing decades of covert activity amongst NATO members.
I mean, tomorrow's summit, it's going to be a monkey knife fight in a telephone booth.
에셜론의 통제권이 넘어가면서 미국이 동맹국을 상대로 벌인 첩보 활동이 전부 드러나 버린 상황. 이 여파로 나토 동맹은 와해될 위기를 맞게 된 것이었죠.
If NATO falls, there's no more backstop against despots and dictators. They run unchecked.
We put our heads above water.
소식을 들은 윌은 자신이 살아있다는 사실을 알리려 하지만
We are in a secure U.S. facility.
Last time I was in one of those, we got shot out the sky at 40,000 feet.
Make the call.
샘은 최고 사령부까지 적에게 넘어갔을 거라며 반대하는데
Don't make the call.
I can't make the call.
I'm the commander-in-chief. Make the goddamn call.
The line's dead.
Is that normal?
그때 그라도프가 보낸 타격대가 안전 가옥을 습격합니다.
Somebody really wants us dead.
We're safe in the safe house, right?
That feels safe enough for you?
Not in the movies now, son.
Okay, listen up. I'm gonna get you guys out of here, but just in case things do go south, best to be to retreat through the secondary exit. There's a left out here, down the hall, make a left, that's the bunk room. Another right, you should see a poster on the wall, you punch through that poster. You should be good to go.
안전 가옥 곳곳에 함정을 설치해 적의 습격을 대비한 마티. CCTV로 적의 위치를 파악하며 반격을 시작하는데 문제는 상대가 S급 암살자라는 것.
Let's move.
궁지에 몰린 마틴은 자포까지 감행하려 하지만
Rambo, come on! Oh, God damn it. What's the problem? Forgive me. You do look good with a gun in your hand.
가까스로 적을 따돌리며 건물을 벗어난 샘과 윌. 그런데 대기하고 있던 적들에게 붙잡혀버립니다. 그때 경찰차 한 대가 나타나 돌진하고 순식간에 적을 쓸어버리는데
Well?
Sam?
운전자의 정체는 죽은 줄 알았던 노엘.
How are you not dead?
You two know each other?
We
worked together back in the day.
그녀가 어떻게 살아서 올 수 있었냐고요? 이상 요약 끝.
There is no backup.
스페인에서의 작전이 실패한 후 홀로 그라도프를 추적하고 있었던 노엘.
So you're saying this is all payback because we stopped him building nukes?
That way. Gradov wasn't building a nuke.
But he was a weapons developer.
He was, but his son wasn't.
조사 결과는 충격적이었는데
Gradov's son was amongst the dead.
미국이 핵 개발을 의심해 그라도프의 아들과 연구소를 폭격했던 것.
So with the help of Echelon, we procured the schematics of the Pebble Bed tech.
그 과정에서 연구소 기술까지 흡수하며 미국은 그라도프에게 복수의 명분을 안겨줬고
So he took his son's life and then his legacy, huh?
Which we're about to take a big victory lap for in Trieste.
Correct me if I'm doing the math wrong, but we're the assholes here.
Okay, look. Gradov's son didn't die because of us. He died because he's the son of the devil.
더 큰 문제는 그에게 정보를 흘리는 내부 고위 인사가 존재한다는 사실.
How far away is the U.S. Embassy from here? They can help us.
We're not going to the embassy.
Listen, I'm the commander-in-chief.
Okay, respectfully, sir, no, you're not. The vice president was sworn in a few hours ago. And he has never been commander-in-chief of anything. The king is. You're just two guys that are shit out of luck. So let's go.
나토 정상회담이 열리는 트리에스테를 목적지로 정한 두 사람.
And my best shot at keeping this mission on track is that train.
Well, that confirms it. I died in that plane crash, and this is hell. Come on. Good? Thank you.
두 사람의 동선은 그라도프의 감시망 안에 있었고 아서는 두 사람을 집요하게 쫓는 그라도프에게 회의감을 느끼고 있었죠. 잠시 여유가 생기자 과거의 일로 노엘에게 사과하는 샘.
About your team in Spain.
We've all lost a lot.
Look, I owe you
Please don't say an apology.
an explanation for disappearing after Tripoli.
What happened in Tripoli?
None of your business.
여러 현장을 함께 누비며 연인 사이가 된 두 사람이었지만
We ran away from love.
Can you stay in your lane?
돌연 그가 출마를 선언하며 갈라서게 된 것이었죠.
And why'd you want to run for office?
Oh God, are you still going?
Why'd you want to run for office, Sam?
Because I wanted to build a better world for her and I to grow old in together.
The most romantic goddamn thing I've ever heard.
샘이 윌에게 지난날의 푸념을 늘어놓고 있던 그때
Shit! Whoa, we can talk this out.
그라도프의 부하와 함께 들이닥친 아서. 그런데 돌연 아서가 그라도프의 부하를 제거해버립니다.
Oh, shit. Didn't see that coming.
Drop it.
평화롭게 살고 싶었지만 그라도프의 협박에 어쩔 수 없이 협조하게 되었다는 아서.
Gradov's got the eyes of God at his disposal. They'll have a team waiting at the... Look, there's a building in Croatia they operated out of. Get to 12 Lavaska Street in Zadar. This prompt will run a program I designed to trace communications he had with anyone carrying compartmented security clearance. It was nice to do something good for a change.
그는 에셜론의 접속 기록을 감시할 수 있는 안전 가옥의 위치를 알려주고 숨을 거둡니다.
So you tried to jump off a train that's going 40 miles an hour.
You've been taking this on the chin for way too long, and I'm done with being on the defensive.
Damn you!
Sergeant's red forever!
기차에서 뛰어내린 후 서둘러 아서의 은신처로 향하는 일행들.
Jeez, Hammond didn't have an incredibly sexy tasting hideouts, huh? What for?
Fifth. Come on, Jim Strong.
그곳에서 아서가 언급했던 단말기를 발견하지만
Nice.
Okay.
Do you hear that?
그라도프의 부하들이 코앞까지 들이닥친 상황.
That does not look like the cavalry!
Lock yourselves in the safe room. I'm gonna go handle this.
No. You're the only one that can get the intel off the server. I'll hold him off.
Sam,
What do you think? I've lost a step?
I know you've lost a step. I just don't want you dying on my watch.
Just go.
단말기를 연결해 에셜론의 접속 기록을 조회하고 노엘은 시간을 벌기 위해 적과 맞서 싸우는데
Oh, shit.
접속 기록을 조회한 결과 그라도프와 내통한 인물은 다름 아닌 미국의 비서실장 브래드 쇼.
Bullshit.
Dozens of communications between her and Gradov going back almost 18 months. Her digital fingerprints are all over this.
I'm gonna grind up a world when I get my hands on it.
그 순간 적의 무장 헬기가 등장하며 상황은 최악으로 치닫고 그라도프가 쏜 로켓에 샘이 휘말려 버립니다.
Get ready! Drop!
적의 공격에서 가까스로 살아남은 노엘.
It's handled. She paid you extra to clean up loose ends, didn't she?
다음 날 아침 나토 해산 여부를 결정짓는 투표까지 남은 시간은 30분.
Thanks for keeping my seat warm.
Will?
윌은 커크에게 전화를 걸어 자신이 살아있다는 걸 알리고
I'll hold off the NATO vote as long as I can and just get here. Safe.
경호팀이 윌을 데리러 가지만
You sure are a sight for sore eyes.
그라도프와 내통한 고위 관료의 정체가 커크라는 사실을 알게 됩니다.
Take them to the rally point and do your job.
Of course it was the vice president. It's always the vice president.
Georgi взяла. Не дай добраться им до НАТО.
But Bradshaw's communications were tied to Gradov.
Bradshaw was a decoy. Kirk covered her tracks.
You have your contingencies. I have mine.
설상가상 커크에게 복수하려는 그라도프의 부하들이 등장하고 유탄 발사기로 의전 차량을 날려버리려는 그때 죽은 줄 알았던 샘이 모습을 드러냅니다.
Sam?
How are you alive? Easy. I just kept calm and carried on.
Open the door!
Where are we going?
I got you. Don't go dying on me a third time, okay?
Oh, there's a knife in my leg.
No. Wasn't that bad?
Sam?
The fridge!
What, are you gonna kill them with snacks?
Backup blood supply! Take this, you bloody bastard!
That's the beast.
It's the beast! You got a rocket launcher!
Sam, incoming!
가까스로 적의 추격을 따돌리고 목적지에 도착한 샘 일행.
You have now reached your destination.
On behalf of the United States, I withdraw our...
Hold it right there!
회담장에 들어선 두 사람이 커크의 만행을 폭로하려는 그 순간
Everybody down!
회담장의 고위 인사들을 향해 무차별적인 공격을 퍼붓는 그라도프. 그리고 홀로 적들을 쓸어버리며 그라도프를 향해 돌진하는 노엘.
Deal with her! Now! We should go now! That way! No!
Right off!
Sam! Well,
Get cut off!
I got this guy.
Go. Who's the action hero now, huh?
부하들이 모두 쓰러지자 홀로 남은 그라도프는 탈출을 시도하는데
Let's dance.
Drop it.
Back up! There's nowhere to go. It's over.
God damn it! You're gonna let him get away?
Do you remember at the end of War Cobra 2?
Said you never saw my movies.
I know, I lied. I've seen them all. But the one moment that really cuts through them all is when War Cobra sacrifices himself to save his brother. You know what I'm talking about?
We go on 3? 3!
마침내 헬기를 격추시키며 길고도 치열했던 전투에 마침표를 찍게 되죠.
How's that for Jim Strong?
이들의 활약으로 나토 동맹은 신뢰를 회복하고
Still a bit complicated. Well, just talk her out of the cons and into the pros. Maybe she'll come around.
I think I'm just gonna go with thank you. I miss you. Hope to see you soon. Don't get shot.
You know what? That's perfect. Okay. All right. Fish and chips. Dig in.
둘도 없는 친구가 된 두 정상을 보여주며 영화는 끝이 납니다.
Did I take one for democracy? You bet I did. Right in the noggin.
Yeah, that's what the president and prime minister say whenever we talk on a semi-regular basis. And yes, there's some light chit-chat about a cabinet appointment. It's no big deal.
Yeah, sure thing.
Nice try.
I believe you. Nice to meet you, Agent Comer.
액션, 개그, 그리고 국제 정치 풍자가 한데 버무려진 속도감 있는 코미디 액션 영화 국가 원수. 배우 라인업부터 시선을 끄는데요. 존 시나가 미국 대통령으로, 이드리스 엘바는 영국 총리로 등장하고 프리안카 초프라는 I6 요원 노엘 역을 맡아 카리스마 넘치는 존재감을 보여주죠. 스페인 분열의 토마토 축제 기자로 위장한 요원들이 러시아 무기 상인을 쫓는 장면에서 곧장 첩보 액션으로 전환됩니다. 그리고 그 과정에서 드러나는 국제적 음모는 나토 해체 위기까지 번지며 스토리를 점점 확장시켜 나가죠. 이 영화의 가장 큰 강점은 존 시나와 이드리스 엘바의 티키타카입니다. 정치적 입장도 성격도 정반대인 두 인물이 위기를 함께 겪으며 서로를 인정하게 되는 과정은 유쾌하면서도 꽤 설득력 있게 그려지고 있죠. 물론 아쉬운 부분도 있습니다. 영화 중반쯤이면 대략적인 전개가 예상되기 때문에 첩보물 특유의 긴장감은 다소 떨어질 수 있습니다. 그럼에도 불구하고 시원한 액션, 배우들 간의 케미, 그리고 군더더기 없는 전개 덕분에 몰입감이 상당한 영화입니다. 통쾌하면서도 가볍게 즐기기에 좋은 코믹 액션 영화 국가 원수 소개해드리며 저는 다음 영상에서 찾아뵙겠습니다.